Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day and I hope you have banked very good profit. Today was the CPI data news release that for dollar was negative and most of my traders bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market today and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. And if, as always, if you want to see all those analyses in real time instead of review, most welcome. Join my fast growing trader community. More information is available at the video description. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how we really enjoyed pipping today. Don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future? Feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's move into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. Right, so look at the EURUSD chart, and if you look at the 4-hour chart, so this morning, London Open, we had this beautiful breakout. We've been shorts at the market open, bank amazing profit, and we were expecting a pullback around this level, as you can see here. So at the New York, just before the news release, we had long trade here, and we really enjoyed this rally. And afterwards, we have taken all these pullbacks. Right, so let me explain to you how I analyze the market, entries and exit in intraday. And if you look at here, right now the price is developing a counter opportunity. Let me explain to you the previous analysis. Okay, so if you look at, this is the analysis this morning, and that was a pretty straightforward, as you can see here, 737. As explained to my trader, look for short. As you can see here, price nicely broken this level, and after that price nicely retest. That give us the confirmation, short trade here, and pullback, short trade here, price nicely hit to the profit target, which is this red fib channel. But halfway through, I explain my traders, time to enjoy some profit and move your stop loss at the break even and wait for the news data release. But before the news, as you can see here, we were expecting a long in 4-hour at this level, and I analyzed the market. I said, guys, we already have significant information for the counter opportunity. Number one, price was at the major support. Number two, in intraday, price developed a double bottom here. Price was about to break, and if the price can break and retest, oh look, you can see here price broken and retest without the changing color. As soon as we had this long trade here just before the news data release, we bank, you can see here 13:16, just 15 minutes before the data release, and we were expecting a long at this level. Beautiful, and you can see it's such a nice, beautiful, oh, what a lovely trade, bank amazing profit through the CPI information. And after that, as I said to my trader, just keep taking a pullback, guys. So we had all these pullbacks. So I said, let the market develop another structure. You can see here price develop another structure based on that. Beautiful breakout, announce another one, we announce all these trades through live audio commentary, helping my traders not to miss any opportunities. Keep enjoying, guys. So we had amazing trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, explain my trader bank some profit, and let's wait for another price action. As you can see here, price develop another structure, and that we give them explanation what the most high probability, again long trade breakout, pullback once the price hit, and explain my traders time to enjoy some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And I finish early, but we already had the short trade here. As you can see here, this is my, I haven't updated that analysis yet, but after banking some profit, I did this analysis, guys. As long as the price does not break this level, as you can see here, price nicely broken, guys. That was a beautiful short trade. So my traders, they are really enjoying it. Amazing trade, guys. Short on this one, beautiful. But I managed beautiful pips, guys. So I'm done. But let me explain to you, pound dollar, we had a beautiful trade. We also had a counter short trade, and let me explain to you in 4-hour. So in pound dollar, we had this short trade here, and afterwards we were expecting possibility. If you look at here, as explained to my trader, look for this breakout, guys. As explained, you can see here why, because the price respected here, and respected here. So sort of like a symmetry triangle pattern. So our bias was long, by the way, but that's what we expecting the trade here. And we had such a nice, beautiful short trade here after banking. As soon as the price reversed, then I did another analysis. Let me explain to you what I mean. We had such an amazing trade, guys. Beautiful. Right, so if you look at here this morning, let me explain to you. Yep, that's the analysis we did. 7 o'clock, that was a beautiful breakout, and after banking some PPs, look for another pullback. Let's wait for, you can see here, price nicely broken. We have another short trade here as soon as the price reversed, because we explain all this price action in detail in real time. So just as you can see here, because as explained to my trader to look for, because we're looking opportunity with the CPI data, guys. So if you can see here, 117, 13, 17, as explained my trader, look for pullback, because the price already basically broken this one. If you look at here, the price broken and retest. As again, if any pullback would consider high probability, because the momentum was bullish. As you can see here, price nicely broken. As soon as the price developed pullback, we've taken a long trade. I said, guys, keep holding it. The news about to release with a very tight stop loss. You can see it's such a nice, beautiful price. Nicely hit to the red fib channel, previous high at this level. And that's what I explained my traders, time to enjoy some profit. That was a beautiful trade. Afterwards, trader was looking possibility of counter. I said, guys, we going to trade what we see. Even though at this analysis and say, look, sort of like price is developing it, rising wedge, but market is under influence of fundamental, so technical can be overwritten. So I say, guys, just trade what you see it, high probability, momentum is bullish, news is supporting. Another beautiful pips. I'm banking some profit. So guys, then we have another pattern develop after banking some profit, and I say, guys, now if the price is going to break the recent low, then we look at counter. You can see here, price broken even after the breakout, price retest. That was a very small counter short trade, but it came out at the break even, by the way, this one. And afterwards, I said, let the market develop another structure. As you can see here, price develop another structure. And as now we explain, now we have some data which can help us to look for the opportunities. As you can see here, price nicely broken the recent high, this high. And after that, as always, look, pullbacks. So retest this level, retest. I said, guys, just keep taking a pullback. So you keep banking amazing profit after banking some profit. And you can see here another pullback. You can see here, beautiful. You can see here, price nicely respected here. Trader was expecting counter. I said, look, because as soon as they asked me question, shall we go for short, I broadcast this and I said, guys, I don't want trigger any button until the price is in this structure. Let the market break this structure. As you can see here, market broken, momentum is bullish. Bingo, bingo, bingo. Beautiful trade. All right, so let's move into the dollar CAD. By the way, this is another analysis I did, which is I haven't updated yet, but as explained my trader, look for this breakout. You can see here, this is the breakout, and some of the traders really enjoyed it. Beautiful pips. You can see here, as explained, let the market break and this level, which is here. You can see here, price nicely broken, and that's what we explained to trader. Now, if you're going to take a counter trade, there must be some reason behind it, and that's what we explain with the live market. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. All right, let's move into the dollar CAD. Beautiful trade, guys. We just had a counter long trade tip, and let me explain to you in 4 hour, guys. So you can see here this morning, we were expecting price might gonna stay above that, but I say, guys, anything can happen. We're expecting from the data, but we are also expecting a short trade here, and let me explain to you why I said that. If you look at here, price action, you can see here, price nicely respected here, and also respected here, also respected here, also respected here. So we were expecting a short at this level, but we were waiting for the news. So we had this long trade here. Once the data been released, and after that, as explained, I just focus on the short trade here. So we also had a counter long trade here, and let me explain to you why I mentioned counter long trade here. Look at this level, look at this level, how beautiful, price respected previously twice. So we had this long trade here, a counter long trade here. So now let me explain to you how I analyze this long trade here afterwards, all this short and all this long, all these entries. Keep an eye on the 4 hour, and let's dig into the intraday analysis. Let me share with you guys. We had an amazing trade, guys, today. What a beautiful trade. Okay, so let's move into in the morning, right? So that was the, okay, so you can see here, that was the beautiful. Okay, so this is the analysis. You can see here 742. Explain price action, look for pullback. If you don't get the pullback, let the market break this level, and after the breakout, retest, then short. what exactly happened. You can see here we didn't see the pullback based on the analysis, but the market broken after the breakout and pullback. So not about just broadcasting analysis, we also keep update through live audio commentary. So you can see a beautiful short trade, bank few PPs, and I said to guys, this is the counter trade. More likely we are looking for long. So you can see after that we had a long trade here, and afterward the market about to, I called my day in the morning. I said, guys, it's the best way to look for the after the news. And after the news we had impulsive move. I said, guys, don't touch it, let the market settle down, let the dust settle down, and then we can see. But more likely we are interested in short here. So as you can see here, won the price here, and that's what explained my trader like this breakout. So this is the breakout, price develop double top here, let the market break one of these. As you can see here, after this break, this, can you see this one as broken and retest? That give us the confirmation. I said, guys, just keep taking a pullback. Every time when the market comes up, take a short trade here. Bank amazing profit. After banking, trader was like, oh, now probably is going to be counter. I said, guys, if the market does not break one of these interesting point of interest, I don't want you to, anybody should trigger the button. So you can see here, sorry, my line is not straight. So you can see that was a beautiful breakout, short trade, bank amazing profit. So once the price developed false breakout in 4 hour, price nicely hit to the support level. That's what explained my trader. Now look for counter possibilities. As you can see here, that's what we price nicely developed, broke on this one, and after that, once the price respecting it this level, guys, momentum is bullish, look for counter. First target hit. I say, guys, enjoy some peeping, and we'll see you tomorrow, guys. So you can see here such a nice beautiful trade. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis, but if you really want to enjoy, trust me, you should be joining over my fast growing trader community and watching these things in real time and banking profit in real time. That's the interesting part of it. Or if you are still struggling in forex trading and can't make the workout, so this is a platform where you can develop your trading skill with the live market. That's my main objectives, to train trader with the live market. That's what you're going to understand. And once you develop your trading skill, there's a possibilities of getting funded. So if you are interested how I coach and train my trader every single day through live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation to know for you to know about how we train people and how you can get funded. So most welcome. My availability calendar link is given in the video description. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.